Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start population ecology. To understand the population ecology, first of all we should have an idea that what is the difference between population and community. Students, population is a group of living organisms of the same species living in a particular area at a particular time. For example, if 100 foxes were living in a forest in the year 2009, then these 100 foxes, they were making one population of that forest in the year 2009. On the other hand, if 50 rats, they were also present there, they were making the second population. On the other hand, the community is a group of different populations living in a particular area at a particular time. Now, community, it is different from the population because community is a cluster or a group of different populations which are belonging to different species. पॉपुलेशन आपके पास ऐसा ग्रुप है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स का जो सारे के सारे एक स्पीशीज़ से बिलोंग करते हैं और किसी ख़ास टाइम पर एक ख़ास एरिया में मौजूद होते हैं, जबकि कम्युनिटी एक ख़ास एरिया में ख़ास टाइम पर ऐसा ग्रुप है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स का जो डिफरेंट स्पीशीज़ से बिलोंग करते हों, डिफरेंट पॉपुलेशंस का ग्रुप जो है किसी भी ख़ास एरिया में ख़ास टाइम पर, उसको आप कम्युनिटी का नाम देते हैं. According to an ecologist, Royal Chapman, population size is maintained by two types of the forces. One type of the forces, they are those which are causing an increase in the size of population, while the second type of the forces are those which are decreasing the size of the population. Biotic potential of the population, it is basically a collection or a set of factors which are involved in increasing the size of population, while environmental resistances, it is a set of factors which are causing to decrease the size of a population. According to Royal Chapman, these two forces, they usually act in opposite direction, and due to their opposite action, the population size, it is maintained within certain limits. Biotic potential involves four factors. These four factors, that is fecundity, natality, growth forms, and physiological longevity of the members of a population, they can cause an increase in the population size. Fecundity is the reproductive rate of a population. Natality is the birth rate of a population. Growth forms, they are the graphical representations that how a population size, it is maintained or it is increased after fighting with the environmental stresses. The physiological longevity of the members means that how beautifully the members of a population, they are fighting with the stresses and then maintaining the population, how actively they are participating in the different events of a population. All these four factors, they will be discussed in the next lectures, inshallah. There are certain physical factors which act as environmental resistances or environmental stresses. These physical factors, they are including food, water, and space. In the absence of these physical factors, mostly the members of the population, they die, and the size of the population, it ultimately decreases. So now we are able to define that what is population ecology. अब तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है उसमें हमने देखा है कि पॉपुलेशन इकोलॉजी डायरेक्टली पॉपुलेशन और कम्युनिटी दोनों के साथ लिंक्ड है. पॉपुलेशन इकोलॉजी में हम देखेंगे कि एक ही स्पीशीज़ के मेंबर्स जो एक जगह पर मौजूद हैं उनका आपस में क्या रिलेशनशिप है, या अगर डिफरेंट स्पीशीज़ के मेंबर्स एक ही जगह पर रह रहे हैं तो वो किस किस तरह से एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेटेड हैं या वो असरअंदाज हो रहे हैं एक दूसरे के ऊपर. तो पॉपुलेशन इकोलॉजी को हम इस तरह से डिफ़ाइन करेंगे कि इट इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ इंटरैक्शंस और रिलेशनशिप्स between the members of the same population or between the members of different populations. Important aspects of the population ecology are intraspecific interactions, interspecific interactions, competitions, and population regulation. We will discuss all these aspects one by one in the next lectures. Intraspecific interactions are the relationships between the members of the same population, while the interspecific interactions are the relationships between the members of two different populations. Competitions are the relationships within a community which are existing due to the same type of requirements. While the population regulation, this is a mechanism by which the population it is maintained within the limits. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.